Hello students, let's discuss question number 6. Diagram 3 shows a shaded region enclosed by curve. The curve was given y equal to negative x squared plus 3x plus 4 and the straight line gx. Okay, the straight line gx is a function. It's not stated what function is that, but you're given the curve. This is the curve. When you see area, meaning that you have to integrate the curve, right? You have to integrate the curve. So, first of all, what the question asks, the curve intersects with the straight line at point A and point B. So this is the point of intersection. So this, let's say this is the straight line. Okay, the point of intersection was given point A here. So let me circle with purple color and B. So when you see intersection, right, in mathematics, when you see intersection, it means simultaneous, right? So you have to substitute the two equations. So first of all, we can find the point. We can find the point A, the k value here, because the 3 was given. So when the curve and the point is given, you can always use a point substitute. That means you're going to substitute negative 3 squared plus 3 times 3 plus 4. So the answer will be negative 9 plus 9 plus 4, right? So hence the y is 4. But the y here is represented by k. So k is 4, right? So I'm sure the question will ask you to find the point B and then the value of k. So k we found already. K is equal to 4. And then point B, as you see, how to find the point B is you can see that this is the line that is going to intersect with the curve. So the red and the blue intersecting at point B. So actually for the blue line is, do you know that this is y equal to 0? So you can substitute y equal to 0 into the quadratic. Okay, alright. So we will solve it, or sometimes we will say we solve the quadratic equation to get the x-intercept. So we will get 2. One is here, one is here. Right, there are 2 intersect for the x. So normally when you let the y0, we want to factorize, we always make it positive, right? Before we factorize. Okay, so if you factorize, let's say you write the answer like this. First of all, y equal to negative x squared plus 3x plus 4. Then you let the y0, because on the x-axis, so you will have negative x squared plus 3x plus 4 equal to 0, right? So then you make it positive before you factorize. So once I see you factorize, I can give you either you solve it here, okay, you will entitle for 1 mark. Alright, you will entitle for 1 mark because you can solve the equation. But for you to find the point B, you must check the point B is at the negative side, right? So it should be negative 1, 0, because your intercept for x got 2, one is negative 1, one is 4. So if they ask for this point, it will be 4, 0. But the question is asking for point B, so it will be negative 1, 0. So hence you must write down, hence the point B is negative 1, 0. this will give you 1 mark, right? For just now the k equal to 4, you get 1 mark. And then for the area, you will get 2 marks, right? Okay, let's see how to solve the area. Okay, we want to find the area for this region. So basically we will find the area by using area under the curve. So we will find area under the curve, which is the whole area that I highlight in red color. So we will integrate this area in A. It represents the red color under the curve, so we integrate. So the limit is from -1 to 3, right? -1 to 3. So that is how you integrate. Okay, you integrate y dx, and then you need to minus out the triangle later, or you want to write, you can say you want to do one shot. This is a triangle, right? So this one was 4 just now, so the height is 4. But don't forget, this is -1, this is 3, right? So it's 4. Alright, -1 means the length is 1 plus a 3. So you minus out this triangle in purple color, right? 1/2 times 4 times 4. That's why you have to have -8, then you will get 1 mark. Okay, now we just focus on integration and minus the triangle. So if I integrate from -1 to 3 for -x squared plus 3x plus 4 dx, okay, minus out 1/2 times 4 times 4. I solve it, I will get the area which is shaded. Okay, so just integrate -x 3/3 plus 3x, 1 plus 1 will be 2, right? Okay, 4x, and then you substitute the limit from -1 to 3 and you minus the 8. That's it. Alright, then you simplify to the simplest form. Okay, let's substitute carefully. We are going to substitute the limit from be careful because you have a -1 and 3, so we substitute the upper limit first, which is 3. We substitute the 3. Right, this is the 3, so it's -3, 3. Okay, plus 3/2, 3 square plus 4 times 3. And we need to minus this part. You need to be extra careful. I think you need to put another bracket, right? -1 power 3. We use the other type bracket to differentiate different type of bracket, right? This is -1 square plus 4 times -1, and then close the bracket, minus the 8. Okay, just to highlight to you, we have to be very careful here because we have to have another bracket here because of the negative. Okay, so let's solve it carefully. We'll get the area is equal to, if you solve this one, you get 33/2 plus 13/6 minus 8. Press the calculator twice, right? Okay, then finally the answer will be, the area will be 56/3 minus 8, or is equivalent to 32/3. So if you write the answer 10/3 is accepted, right? Okay, so the answer that entitled for marks will be like this. Your y equal to k, and then because you got it by showing how you substitute the 3 inside, that is 1 mark. And if you find the point B by using let y0 factorize, you get 1 mark. And finally you integrate, you write like this and you integrate correctly. You are entitled for 1 mark, right? Okay, then you minus the 8, you get the answer, you get 4 marks, right? So that is how the marks being awarded to you based on the answer. That's all my sharing for this question. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.